Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best tools, gear, and gadgets to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best outdoor 50-foot heavy-duty extension cord on the market. The Deeklify 12/3 50 FT heavy-duty outdoor extension cord. This isn't just any power cable. It's a serious utility companion for anyone working outdoors, in workshops, or needing reliable power in tough environments. Let's get into what makes this extension cord a standout. Right out of the box, the 50-foot length feels generous and substantial. The cable is made with a 12-gauge, 3-wire configuration. That's 12/3 in technical terms, meaning it's designed to handle more power and stress than your typical household cord. And at 15 amps and 1,875 watts, this cord is built to power heavy-duty equipment like lawnmowers, power drills, outdoor heaters, or even a string of high-powered work lights. You'll also notice the construction is purpose-built for durability. The outer shell is made from a thick polyethylene sheet, tough, but still flexible. It's rated SJTW, which means it's specifically made for outdoor use. It's weather-resistant, water-resistant, and even cold-resistant, functioning in temperatures as low as -58 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 158 degrees Fahrenheit. That's extreme. You won't have to worry about this thing stiffening up in winter or cracking under summer heat. Now let's talk flexibility and durability. This cord has been put through over 2,000 bending cycles in factory tests. That tells us it's made to withstand years of wrapping, unwrapping, dragging, and knotting without internal damage or fraying. The reinforced strain relief at both ends also adds protection where cables tend to fail the most. Speaking of the ends, you get a 3-prong grounded plug and connector, both of which fit snugly and securely into your devices. There's also a power indicator light built right into the female end. That light glows when the cord is live, giving you immediate visual confirmation that your equipment is ready to go. That's an underrated safety feature, especially when you're working in wet or dimly lit conditions. If you're using this at a construction site, in the garage, or during outdoor projects, the Deeklify extension cord has your back. The rubberized, anti-slip socket grip means you're not struggling to plug and unplug with gloved or wet hands. Everything feels solid and secure, and you can tell a lot of thought went into making this cord not just rugged, but also user-friendly. Compared to a standard 16-gauge indoor cord, this 12-gauge beast is in a whole different league. You'll get better power delivery, more consistent current, and far less voltage drop over long distances, especially important if you're running high-powered tools. Anyone who's serious about having reliable, outdoor-safe power with no compromises. And at just over $30 for the 50-foot version, it's priced competitively against lesser cords that don't come close to offering the same specs or safety. To sum it up, the Deeklify 12/3 50 FT heavy-duty extension cord is a smart, safe, and solid investment if you need power that goes the distance. From sub-zero mornings to blazing hot afternoons, it's ready to deliver when and where you need it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And let us know in the comments what gear you want us to break down next. Until then, stay powered up.